Hello everyone, Constantino the broker. I'll be here at my open house. Today is Sunday. I'm here at this open house. I'm here at the open house. As you can see, it started raining a little bit, so I had to put my jacket on. It's got some really nice pavers. I'm here at the open house. Really nice house. It should sell now that the man starts work tomorrow, January 20th. This bad boy should sell in the whole month of February. So just wanted to do this quick video. I'm doing this open house here, 10759 Losco Junction Drive here in Mandarin Station. For those of you that are not familiar with Jacksonville, the zip code is 32257. If you would like more information about this listing, you can reach out to me at 904-452-3895. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage. Listed for $360,000. Qualifies for FHA, VA, conventional. And owner just did these pavers that look really, really nice and give the house a very, very different curb appeal, as you can see. These pavers are brand new. So brand new pavers in the driveway. So it gives the house a very different feeling. Hablo español. Thank you for watching. If you would like more information about this listing, please reach out to me, 904-452-3895. Thank you. Have a wonderful Sunday.